Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be recording the PATH train from 9th Street to Newport. Now, this is going to be from New York City to New Jersey. Now, last time I was going to do the W, but the heat got to me and I was just having a bad day, so we're going to be recording the PATH today. So here we go. So as you can see, the PATH stations are...
Oh, that's creepy, I can't.
PATH stations are a little different. Yeah, it's a long tunnel to get to the train, because it's deep below ground. Not that deep, but somewhat deep below ground. You can tell by all the tunnels
$2.75.
and stairs.
They charge regular.
I think one is coming right now. Oh wait, no, I think that's just a different train.
Yeah, how do you...
So here what the turnstiles look like for the PATH.
It says so here. Just press one link. No, you can't get it here. Okay. You can only get it in 33rd Street or 127. You can't get it there. It's on the website, so you can't get it.
Sold? It's
What about this one? Let's try this one.
Alright. Let's walk to the front.
Too bad.
They never have any cooling systems here, do they? I think there's trains that go on above us. So yes, this is the PATH train tunnel. 9th Street. I know it's not going to be a long route, but the PATH train's a really long route, and it's kind of sorry I got off track, but my family called me. But the thing is that the train is a somewhat long route, and it would take a while to do it. Maybe sometime I'll do it, but right now we're just going to the New Jersey Mall, so it's at Newport, so we're gonna be taking the train from there. So yes, is there even an elevator in this station? I don't feel like there is. So that's the PATH tunnel. Waiting at these stations sometimes, it's really hot. It's the other side. So this is what the PATH trains look like. They're pretty quick. They load and then they go. We're waiting for the other one. my god, is that the old one? Oh. Oh wait, no, it's the same one. Never mind. Oh,
Yeah, be careful.
oh come on. Yeah. Go, 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 go. That's the problem with these. That's the problem with these trains. They go too quick. These trains go pretty fast.
This stop is Christopher Street. This is the train to Journal Square.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
Sorry if I'm not able to get much of a cab view because a lot of people in here, we don't know how they would react to a camera, so maybe when I'm able to, when it's switching tracks, I'll be able to.
I know, I know.
It's a pretty short ride because Newport's next, but it has to switch tracks, I think, at another station. I'm not sure. There goes my ears. guys are not able to see much, but eventually I'll be able to get something. we're gonna watch it go because it's a short route for us. There you go. Oh, took the bottle with it. I know it was short, but good enough. I'll be able to do full route next time if possible. Alright, let's go.
On the track. Section. Yeah, someone put eyes on it.
Well, I guess there was no short. What? That was really short for us. That was really short for us. Maybe next time, if possible, we could do full route. Not us, but like not with Dad. But I mean like
Oh yeah, I know.
one day full route. Hopefully, we could try doing full route. See how that goes. It's a really nice station. So yeah, I'm sorry if you guys didn't get to see much of the train. I really apologize for that, but hopefully next time I can do full route and show more of the train. But hey, at least this gives heads up of what the PATH train looks like, so when the next time I record it, you'll be able to see what it looks like, or know what it looks like. So, this will not be the end of the PATH, because that was way too quick, and I didn't get much of a view of the train. So, I will eventually record it again. But for now, this is what it comes out to. So, I'm just gonna extend the video to where we're leaving the station, because I don't want to end this out with just the train. I probably sound out of breath right now, but it's because of this hill and the stairs. So, yeah. So hopefully can eventually be able to continue this. Hopefully I'll be able to do full route of the PATH train. So that was it for now. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And be sure to check out my other subway videos I made. And just go ahead and comment, because I'm never getting any comments on my barely getting any comments on my channel. But maybe, oh, you know what? I can actually record this going back. Could try recording it going back. And eventually yeah. Eventually I can record this coming back. So that was the PATH train. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Oh wow, they took the turn out of this one. They took the turns, the doors. So hope you guys enjoyed that. That was the PATH for now. So thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Roxanne's out. Okay, so I'm back, and so it turns out I'm gonna take the train. We're gonna be taking the PATH back, and I'm probably gonna be merging it with the first video. Actually, yes, I am. The thing is that I didn't know that actually we could just record going back. So we're gonna be recording it, taking it back to New York. Let's do it. Alright, now we walk down, great, because no escalators are working. Gotta wait for parents. We gotta walk down because there's no escalators working. Here we go. Ugh. Alright, so we're going back down. You can already tell by when the trains are coming. And we're walking back down into the depths of hell.
Oh, I didn't do this before.
Yeah, you get that out of here. Stop it, stop it. Get your arm. Stop. You're gonna make the camera fall and then no one's gonna be able to see anything.
You'll see the camera fall.
Yeah, it's definitely gonna do that. It's gonna fall and it's gonna start sliding down the damn hill. Where
33rd Street.
platform A. I think we just missed it. Either that. Yup, we just missed it.
No, that was going home.
Oh well. Missed it. So many trains going in and out. Because, I mean, it's the path. It's the most loved, wanted train. No. I'm weird. I think you're... Pop into the middle car because they leave instantly.
This is the train to 33rd Street. The next stop is Christopher Street.
Stand clear of the closing door.
Nice, I get to see controls. Where's the next train? And then in between. Yeah, you're not able to see it clearly. We'll have to wait till I'm at the station to do that. Yeah, I showed. This is what the inside looks like, so there you go. And where's trains are a lot different than the normal NYC trains. Lots of screeching. Jesus, this train sometimes. Whew.
This stop is Christopher Street.
Now we can see the train a little better.
This is the train to 33rd Street.
Stand clear of the closing door.
This stop is 9th Street.
We'll do a full route next time we get on this train.
This is the train to 33rd Street.
Stand clear of the closing door.
So that was the PATH train. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and hopefully soon I'll be doing the full route of the PATH train. But that was it so far, and you got to see the interior and all the controls and such in some parts of the car. So I hope you guys enjoyed that experience of the PATH. It was a short route, but it was good enough for now until we do a full route. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe of what you thought of the train. And I'll see you guys in the next video I make, hopefully. Either the A or the W. Not sure. Hopefully A or W. Just wait till we're outside. These trains are not like the normal NYC trains. Well, they're weighed a bit. They come and they go. They're really quick. They come and they go. They pick up the load. They leave instantly. They're not like the trains where in the NYC where they wait for you or wait for a little bit. They go. They do not wait for anybody. That's why you get on it super quick. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Hey guys. Thank you guys so much for watching the Path Train video. Yeah, I know I did say subscribe twice because I didn't think I was going to take it back, but I did. Sorry for the bright light that's making me look weird right now. It's because if I have this off, it'll make me look dark and you won't be able to see me. So, I do appreciate your guys' help of supporting me with the you know, like, subscribe, and the comments. Some comments. Please do comment on what you thought of this video. Please do. Please do. I do apologize. I'm really sorry for not uploading any videos lately. A lot of crap's been going on, and I've been trying to handle things here and there. And also, I wasn't in a good mood for the W train when I did it, so I'm really sorry for that. I will be making more trains recordings. I'm uploading them soon. So, please do not be mad. I'm not done with the recordings. Don't say that I'm done. I'm officially done. No, I'm continuing. It's just there are things I have to handle with that I don't expect to happen now. So, thank you guys for watching The Path. It was quite short, but I will do the full route next time. And please... Oh, shit. Ignore that! Ignore that. That was a small mistake. Anyways, I shouldn't have touched the phone. Anyways, but thank you guys so much for watching it. I will be sure to make more train videos. So, thank you. Thank you so much. And I will see you guys next time in the next video I make, hopefully.